if government answers these three questions, I will itself allow the government to take care of the exams which is to be held on September 13. Government can hold the exams on September 13 and September 1 to 6. So the first question is, will the SOPs will be strictly followed even outside the campus and inside the campus? This is my first question. Second question is, 0% of the students appearing the exam must be infected. So no one should be infected, no one should be tested COVID positive. Third question is there any chance of 100% attendance? There must be 100% attendance in the examination hall in each and every centers. So if there is 100% attendance in every examination halls, then no matter, you can conduct the exams. Government answer these questions with a proof, then they can conduct, because they have a proof, so they can conduct the exams from September 1 to 6 and as scheduled as September 13. So if they have a proper proof, they can conduct. But I think so they don't have any proof. If they have, then they have said before itself. But the NTA has let some guidelines out. But it's all which is including inside the campus. And the main problem is, how will you wear spectacles with a mask? So if you wear a mask with a spectacles, your spectacles will get blurred up in nearly 2 to 3 minutes itself. When you breathe it, your mask is covered down, so air will go up, so your spectacles will get blurred up.
NTA Director, Education Minister and all the one who are saying that further postponement will lead to academic loss. अरे आदरणीय, एकेडमिक लॉस का मतलब होता है पूरे साल का लॉस. यहाँ कोई पूरे साल का लॉस नहीं हो रहा है, जस्ट 3 या 4 मंथ्स का हो रहा है. वो भी अपन लोग मैनेज कर सकते हैं इफ एवरीवन विल कॉपरेट. वो ऑल कम्स इन एवरीवन. फर्स्टली गवर्नमेंट, सेकंड इंस्टीट्यूट एंड थर्ड स्टूडेंट्स. हाउ गवर्नमेंट विल कॉपरेट? गवर्नमेंट को कॉपरेट सिर्फ ये करना है, नॉट गवर्नमेंट, द एंटी वंस. उनको कॉपरेट ये करना है कि जो एग्जाम पीरियड और रिजल्ट डिक्लेरेशन का जो टाइम पीरियड होता है, द बिटवीन द टाइम, उसको आप रीडिंग